everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these African fabric or tribal type hair bows. You guys, this was so simple. Like, I don't know why I didn't think of this before. I love the little touch of bling added to them. Super cute. And I'm actually thinking if I should add on those or not. What do you guys think? Let me know. Should I leave them as is or should I add the buttons on? I don't know. Okay, now you can do this with any type of fabric. Let me set those to the side. So I actually have some little scraps here that I'm going to be using. And then let's do one more. What color should I do? This one? Okay, but what I'm putting it on is I am actually putting it on a foam sheet. This is just, you know, a little craft sheet. And I do have some Mod Podge here. You can use the regular Mod Podge, just mine wasn't open. This is one that I have open, so I'm going to use it. It works great. I'm trying to figure out how I want to arrange these on here. So I'm trying, well, that's got a hole in it, look like, so we're gonna take that out. So let me cut this one. Let's use some of this. And then let's use, or maybe that's too big. Just a little bit of that. And some of this. And this will make 2 hair bows, 2 full hair bows. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to do this little pattern right here that I got. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pour some little Mod Podge, just like that, and now I'm going to apply it. Alright, you guys, so this is what my pattern is looking like so far. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this to completely dry, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do one more coat of the Mod Podge. Alright, you guys, so I am back. This is completely dry. And I've decided to do these a little bit different. I want to do them like I did these. As you can see, they have like the little scalloped edge. And then the top layer is smaller. This is what I actually use for my top layer. It's a thinlet. These are a couple that I already had cut out with my Sizzix from the ones that I did yesterday. And then this is my scalloped one. I'm gonna use this and this, but I'm trying to figure out if this should be a different color. Yeah, it should be a different color. No. Yeah, I don't know. Like, should I do it to match the inside of this? So do it like a yellow? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I have everything cut out to make my two bows, and I end up just using like this little faux leather that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be using that for the end, and also for, I don't know what this is called, but to wrap it completely up. I also have my little hair clips. So let's go ahead and get started with gluing everything. So I'm going to start with the little sides first. And these little flaps that's on the end of everything is what you're going to be putting your glue on. Just going to put a dot there. And then put it in the middle. Dot there. Put it in the middle again. And that's it. And then you can decide on which side you're going to want it on. That is going to be hard for me. And then we are just going to do this for all the sides. And because it's foam, the glue holds like really, really well on the foam. Now that's one thing I can say. All right, you guys. So this is the finished look. Look at that. I love how these came out. Like, these are adorable. And on the other ones, I did end up going ahead and adding the buttons on. Yes, I like them as well. They just look so cute. Look at that. Super cute. Super, super cute. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.